in all, it comes that time of year, isn't it? Christmas lights. So this is 40 meters of Christmas lights, and you also have the remote control to turn it on and off, flash, different coloured modes, and I'll show you. I'm going to turn the light off and I'll show you what it's like. Bear with. So it's a little bit darker, it's not too dark, but I'll plug it on. There you go. 40 meters, and it goes different colours, as you can see. So this one, waves. Oh, that goes faster. Flash. Different. Look at the colours on that. Beautiful. 40 meters of lights, inside or outside. Beautiful. So, I'll show you. So these are, let me have a look. Oh my god, around about £8.99. Okay. So, and they go on and on and on forever. So you could put this around your house, inside your house, on a tree, double it up, around by your Colvin. Look lovely. 40 meters. What a bargain. What a bargain. Obviously, like I said, it comes with a remote control. So if you're interested, I'll link those below. Thanks, guys.